Today we're looking at exciting developments in robotics, AI, social media, and much more. Let's dive right in. Cruise, the self-driving car subsidiary of General Motors, has announced that its Robotaxis will be available on the Uber app starting in 2025. This partnership is expected to revolutionize urban transportation by making autonomous rides more accessible to the public. To the public, this means a new era of convenience, with the potential to reduce traffic congestion and lower transportation costs. This collaboration signals the growing integration of autonomous vehicles into mainstream services, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the transportation industry. While autonomous cars are taking over the streets, factories might soon see a shift to humanoid robots, especially in China. Coming up next, Chinese robot makers are racing to develop humanoid robots for Tesla, aiming to replace human workers in factories. These robots are designed to handle tasks that are too dangerous or monotonous for humans. This development raises questions about job displacement and the future of work. It can also be seen as a significant step toward the automation of manufacturing, potentially leading to more efficient and safer production processes. From factory floors to your mobile screen, we take a look at Instagram's latest feature that's got users buzzing. Instagram has rolled out a new feature allowing users to add music to their profile bios, starting with Sabrina Carpenter's song. This feature offers a new way for users to express their personality and creativity. It adds another layer of personalization to social media profiles, enhancing user engagement. It signifies Instagram's latest move to keep users hooked by blending music and social media in innovative ways. Speaking of innovation, there's exciting news in the world of low-cost robotics and AI. An open-source AI platform, Hugging Face, has released a comprehensive guide to building low-cost robotics. This guide aims to make robotics more accessible to hobbyists, educators, and startups by lowering the barrier to entry. It means that anyone interested in robotics can start building their own robots without a hefty price tag. This move democratizes robotics, fostering innovation and creativity across various industries. Shifting gears to health tech, where a new app is making strides in disease prevention, the VectorCam app has been developed to identify mosquitoes that carry malaria using a smartphone camera. This tool could be a game changer in regions where malaria is prevalent, allowing for quicker identification and response. For the public, especially in affected areas, this means better disease prevention and potentially saving lives. This is a powerful example of how mobile technology can be leveraged for public health. Looking at some concerns in the AI space, where safety and regulation are under scrutiny, global AI safety efforts are facing challenges due to indecision and delays in regulation. As AI continues to advance, the lack of clear guidelines and regulations poses risks to public safety and ethical standards. This highlights the need for more robust discussions and policies to ensure that AI is developed responsibly. The tech world is calling for urgent action to address these issues, emphasizing the importance of balancing innovation with safety. On the startup front, the founder of Synapse, a fintech startup that recently failed, opened up about the reasons behind the company's collapse. Despite initial success, issues like regulatory challenges, funding constraints, and market competition led to its downfall. But that's not deterring from forging full steam ahead with his new robotics venture. Foundation is a robotics startup with a self-proclaimed mission to create advanced humanoid robots that can operate in complex environments to address the labor shortage. Finally, DeepMind, Google's AI research division, is experiencing internal turmoil after 200 employees protested against Google's military contracts, particularly with the Israeli military. The employees argue that such collaborations contradict Google's mission statement and AI principles, damaging their reputation as ethical leaders in AI. This internal conflict highlights potential cultural differences between DeepMind and Google and raises questions about the balance between technological advancement and ethical responsibility. The employees are urging Google to reconsider these partnerships and to be more transparent in its business practices. That's all for our update today. Thanks for watching.